Welcome back to Quantum Cactus. Today, we've got something super exciting for you. A step-by-step guide on how to participate in Blast's incredible airdrop. If you're into crypto and love earning rewards, you won't want to miss this airdrop. First, let's talk about Blast. It's a Layer 2 platform offering native yield, making it a game changer in the crypto space. Now let's dive into how you can be a part of their airdrop. Sign up for early access on Blast using an invite code. Check our video description for some codes. Next, you'll need to bridge ETH or stablecoins like USDC, USDT, or DAI to the platform. Just head over to blast.io bridge page. Remember, the more you bridge, the more points you earn. But keep in mind, these assets will be locked until February 2024. Invite your friends. You'll earn 16% of the points your friends farm and even 8% from their friends. The best strategy? Use social platforms like Twitter, Discord, and Telegram to spread the word. Keep an eye on the leaderboard to track your progress. Now, for the secret option. You can also qualify for the airdrop through Blur, the largest NFT marketplace on Ethereum. Steps for Blur. Step 1. Acquire some Blur tokens. Step 2. Deposit them at Blur Token Deposit. Step 3. Earn points for Season 3. Finally, wait for the season to end, and then get your tokens. And there's more. You can keep earning by interacting with the Blur marketplace. Make bids, list, and lend NFTs to earn points for the airdrop. Just visit blur.io to get started. Now that you know how to participate in the airdrop, let's take a moment to understand what Blast is all about. Blast is a unique Layer 2 platform on Ethereum, distinguished by its native yield for ETH and stablecoins. Unlike other L2s, where the value of your assets might depreciate over time due to a lack of yield, Blast incorporates native yield, ensuring your balance compounds automatically. How does it work? Well, Blast's yield comes from ETH staking and real-world assets protocols. For ETH, the yield is generated through L1 staking, initially with Lido, and is automatically transferred to users. For stablecoins, when you bridge them to Blast, you receive USDB, Blast's auto-rebasing stablecoin, with its yield coming from MakerDAO's on-chain T-bill protocol. Blast stands out because it's designed from the ground up to be EVM compatible and an optimistic rollup. This means it raises the baseline yield for users and developers without altering the experience that crypto natives expect. It's a game changer in the L2 space, offering a risk-free rate that existing L2s don't provide. The team behind Blast is equally impressive. Led by Pacman, the creator of Blur, the top NFT marketplace protocol on Ethereum, the team comprises experts from FAANG, Yale, MIT, and other prestigious institutions. They've raised $20 million from notable investors in the crypto space. In summary, Blast is not just another L2 platform. It's a revolutionary step in the crypto world, offering higher yields and a robust platform for both users and developers. By participating in the Blast Airdrop, you're not just earning rewards, you're becoming part of a growing on-chain economy. That's it, folks. Follow these steps and you're on your way to earning rewards from Blast's airdrop. Remember, the crypto world is full of opportunities, and Blast is offering you a golden ticket. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Until next time, keep blasting off to new heights.